How to do face tracking in After Effects. First of all, let's add our footage and click on the tracker on the right bar. Click the Stabilize Motion. Now change the inner square to fit it only for nose, and the second square just expand for all face. And simply just click this button right here, Analyze Forward. The process can take some time. It depends on how powerful your computer is. Now when the process is finished, just check if everything is okay and if there's any deviation. If there are, then simply just drag the point. But as you can see, I have perfectly done everything. So now just click Apply and choose the X and Y and click OK. Here we have our done result. But if you want to remove black background, so you can just expand the video by increasing scale. Now you know how to do face tracking in After Effects. See you soon, mates!